Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word no entiendo in depth. First, the definition. No entiendo means I don't understand. Think of it simply as a polite way to say you are confused or don't get something. It directly translates from Spanish as I do not understand. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. No entiendo combines two Spanish words meaning no and I understand. Over time, it's been used by Spanish speakers globally as a straightforward expression of confusion or lack of comprehension. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use no entiendo in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. When the teacher explained the math problem, she said no entiendo to show confusion. Correct example 2. During the conversation, he shrugged and said, no entiendo your point. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to no entiendo the pizza, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using no entiendo correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. No entiendo means I don't understand. It comes from Spanish words meaning know and understand, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with no entiendo down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.